if you do not do something, it is really very good for other people. Now you would be thinking how. So let me tell you how. So suppose that, first of all, I would like to tell you is that there are a lot of the people who are running after to success. They are doing something or other to get success. And in this trend, if you do not do something, so your probability of getting success actually gets really very lesser automatically. And the very second thing is that their probability of getting success in their lives is automatically higher, because for them competition is so very less now, because you are not doing something, so at least one person is not doing something, so it means that one person will be getting successful more. So if you are not willing to do something in your life, it means that you are doing really very good things for others, you are doing easy things for others. So it's very important that you take your charge of your life and you do something, because one thing is really very certain, and that certain thing is that if you do not do something, after that you will have to do something for others. So it's a far better to do something for yourself, because if you do not do something for yourself, other people will come to you and get them their work done by yours. So why not to do something for yourself, so that you can be owner of your life? It's far better to work on yourself, it's far better to skill yourself, it's far better to do something which you have never done for yourself from today itself. Please do something, keep on doing something, and just keep on persisting to that thing, so that you can get all the things that you have never gotten to yourself. And one more thing, a lot of the people say to me that why do you get so much inspired, how are you so much motivated? So I would like to say to those people only one thing. That thing is that the moment I need to get motivated, so the face of my parents come to me and in front of my eyes. This is the biggest motivation for me. I don't need any other motivation. So I would like to say to all of you is that only this thing, that keep on doing something, and I believe that you would be able to do so much better things in your life, for yourself, for your parents, and for the people who are around you, and for those people who are in your family members who are expecting you to do something more. It would be so much good for them also, and for you as well, for your lifestyle also. If you want to change your lifestyle, you will have to do something other, otherwise other people will come to you and get their work done by you. So thank you so much everybody to listen to me till now, and I hope you would like this video. If you have liked this video, if you got something video, if you have gotten any value from this video, please like my channel, please like my video, and if it is possible for you, please share this also, because knowing this thing is a must to everybody, because a lot of the people are just not doing anything in their lives, because they don't see any kind of hope. So thank you so much everybody to listen to me till now. Have a very good day. Bye bye.